Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to schedule messages on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on the home feed, tap the message icon in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your Instagram direct messages section, where you'll see a list of chats with your friends. Scroll down and select a chat where you want to schedule a message. At the bottom of the chat screen, tap the message input box and type out the message you want to schedule. When your message is ready, press and hold the send icon. A pop-up screen will appear where you can set the time for your scheduled message. You can choose the specific day, hour, and minute. Once you've set the time, tap the send button at the bottom of the screen. And that's it. Your message is now scheduled and will be sent automatically at the chosen time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.